Can we make climate action feel happy instead of miserable? The current narrative on climate action is drive less, eat less meat, shop less. Less, less, less. So we came up with what we call the happy climate approach. It's actions in the sweet spot that not only reduce emissions, but also make you feel happier at the same time. Instead of shopping often, make shopping a treat. Feng Shui your fridge. Catch things before they rot by moving the perishables to the door and the condiments into the drawers. Instead of saying drive less, we should say drive more people. Because carpooling can turn those dreadful minutes behind the wheel into joyful moments of socializing. Bundle your trips. Cutting out unnecessary flights can contribute to a sense of time affluence, the feeling that you have enough time to do what you want to do. Think about the actions you can take in your own life.